Hi guys, my name is Umair and you're watching Umair's Workshop. Today I'm going to talk about this cordless drill which I have already used in all of my tutorial. This is a cordless drill. It is the same as the drill machine, but it is powered by this battery power. It is 18 volt cordless drill. This brand is Total and the model number is TG318106, and it works very good, very perfect working. It is, if you can see, it is a dial. If I have to work about like from 1 to 15, I have a 1 to 15 torque setting. I can set against my will. I can use it as my per needed, and if I just want to make some holes on the wood or the window or something like that, I have this drill machining set. So if you can see this, this is also have a button which I am going to use this as a clockwise and anti-clockwise. So if I'm going to click it on here and then push the button, it's going to work over there onto the anti-clockwise, and if I'm going to put it this button over here, it's going to work as a clockwise. So I just have to hold this thing for this a bit older and then press it. It is going to come out. Anything of this is a screwdriver. If I'm going to put a Burma or whatever, the drill bit is going to connect it as well. Just put it back and press this button again, and it's going to be connected as well. It is tied in. It's working now very well. Good. So after that, dial and this anti-clockwise button and this, it is speed control as well. If I'm going to press it very slowly, it's going to work as slowly as well. So like this. As soon as I'm going to push it more power, it's going to work very fast. As I'm going to let it go, so I can adjust the speed myself by just pressing the button. Also after that, we have this battery over here. We have to press this button and then it is going to come out like this, going to slide out, and we have to charge it with this with this charger which is in the box. We just have to put it into the battery like this, slide it up on it and then charge upon it. As you can see, it is two lighting showing on. It is a power and it's charging indicator. So we have to charge it for about like only for 4 hours. After it starts to working slow, we have to make it a mind that we are charging it for only 4 hours. Otherwise, we overcharge it, it's not going to work any more than that. So I'm going to put it back. So this was just information on how this cordless drill works. How to use it is going to come in next upcoming videos. I already use it on all of my projects which I make. So if you like this tool information videos, please like, share and subscribe. If you don't want me to make any more of these tools, you can dislike the video so I can understand. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.